Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you have knee problems, a patella band may be for you. Let's check this out, and kind of shows us how to wear it, I guess right there. We can kind of look at that as we go. And this is what we get here. So it's got a kind of a silicone rubbery one with an extra little piece of rubber there. And then we have these straps, which are not quite stretchy, but they are Velcro, but it's very soft. So let me see if I can move this back. Try to do it up here. Yes, you can see my knee. Okay, so it'll go around my knee, and the strap will go on it. Are these straps the same? It looks like one's longer and one's there. So if you have a longer, bigger knee, I guess you would use the big one. Okay, so the way it'll work, it'll go around here. Just gonna go ahead and strap this side on, and then around. I probably did that one way too loose, but okay. And so you'll go, and it'll be around your knee like that, you see? So it'll kind of give you some protection as you go. I guess I should have used a smaller one, but okay, but you get the idea. Oh, there we go. Let me aim you down a little bit. So this is it here. So it's going to give you that knee protection, and it provides support and relief for your knee, and definitely can stay on there. I guess you can do it as tight or loose as you desire. You can go ahead and wash it with water if you need to. I mean, it's silicone and just fabric, so pretty good. So it seems like it's going to do what it needs to do. So very nice to have this. So if you have knee issues, you can use something like this, and then to take it off, you'll really only have to just open one side, and then you've got that there. So pretty cool. Nice little device. Totally handy if you have knee issues. So thumbs up.